In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Azure API key in Cursor AI. This is a simple process that should take just about 5 minutes and will ensure that you can seamlessly integrate your Azure OpenAI capabilities within Cursor AI to enhance your workflows. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to open up Cursor AI. You'll want to ensure that you're starting from the home page or the main dashboard, as we're going to navigate from there. Once you've got that open, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll notice the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to enter the settings. It's your gateway to all the configuration options available in Cursor AI, allowing you to tailor the app to better suit your needs. Inside the settings menu, you're going to focus on the models section. This is where you'll find all options related to managing different AI models you might be using. Click on models, and then you'll see an option labeled API keys. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can manage all your API keys. It's an essential hub for connecting various services. Now, in this section, you need to look specifically for the Azure OpenAI entry. This is crucial because we want to make sure we're editing the correct section for Azure. Scroll down or scan the list until you find it. Once you've located Azure OpenAI, you'll find an input field where you'll be able to enter your API key. What you need to do next is to paste your Azure OpenAI API key into this field. Make sure you've copied the key from your Azure account beforehand and double check that you're pasting it correctly here. It's critical to get this right to ensure your integration works without any hiccups. Putting in the right key will enable Cursor AI to communicate with Azure seamlessly. After pasting the key, there's just one more important step: enabling the API. Directly beside the input field or somewhere in the immediate view, you'll find a toggle switch. Flip this switch to turn on the integration. This step activates your API key, allowing Cursor AI to start communicating with the Azure OpenAI services. And there you have it. You've successfully added and activated your Azure API key in Cursor AI. With these settings done, you'll be able to harness the power of Azure OpenAI right within Cursor AI, opening up a world of possibilities in how you work and what you can achieve. If you ever need to adjust or update your API key, you can always revisit these simple steps. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials just like this one.